our channel Little Secrets. I hope you're all doing good. I know it's still April and we are feeling so hot. I am too because I've been cribbing all day long. And because of the heat, you know where I'm going to. We get oily skin, and due to the excessive heat, a lot of us, majority of girls, have sweat, due to which we get oily skin, and due to which, you know where I'm leading to, acne and pimple. Who loves acne and pimple? Nobody, I think of. So I've gathered a few products from the Body Shop and I will let you know what all they have for the skincare products, which will be good for your acne spots and blemishes, and it'll give you a flawless skin. Those of you who know about the products and are okay with whatever you use, that's okay, but who are waiting for a surety that will this product really work for you or something, or you just want a review by someone who really uses them, well, I have got the experience and guide for you. So come along and watch ahead. So for the first, we have this Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wash. This states that it is filled with purifying tea tree oil from the foothills of Mount Kenya. Now since this is said, I have also read that it is hand picked from the foothills and then steam distilled to extract the oils. Now that is a wonderful thing because in this adulterated era, we don't get much purified products that you might just find everywhere. So if this is right, whatever like it states, then obviously I would say that this is one of the purified and one of the genuine products that I have ever seen. Now it's got a few things on its label and it's got the price, it's got things on in different languages about how to use or something, or directions. It's a very simple packaging, as you can see. It's a very simple packaging. It's got a few tea tree leaves. And it's a quite small, cute bottle, you know, you could take it in your travel bag and everything. Since Body Shop is also the queen bee of skincare products, this is one of the best face washes that I have ever found. Now tea tree also states that it is the best for removing oil from your skin and it also doesn't dry. So I used it once and I felt that it doesn't really dry your skin. It actually moisturizes and removes the excess oil which is on your face. So this is the product that you would also like, because the products which are guaranteed to remove oil from your face generally don't just remove oil, they also remove the moisture of your face and make your skin dry. And plus if you use a cream after that, then it gives you a very greasy effect and then you're again back with your pimples. So I guess whatever it states is a guaranteed thing. It states to remove all the blemish spots. Now blemish means the spots which remain after your acne has completely vanished and gone and you still have that small spot you see when where your acne was before. So this is supposed to remove those blemish spots and also prevent you from getting more acne in future. So for regular use, if you use this, it will give you a flawless skin. Now the best part which I like about this face wash is, or every face wash that the Body Shop owns, is that they have this label below, like this one has for blemished skin, suitable for blemished skin. So this is so good that you just know that what you need, and it's easy for you even if you don't have a person to guide you. You can just see down below or somewhere on the label that wherever it is, and then you can just know that yes, it is made for your skin or not. Next we have a lotion by the same tea tree range that is made for the night and it is in a gel creme form, so it does not give you a greasy effect. So this is it. So this is how it's like. If you open it, it's like a cute tip that you can just spray once and you'll get a little amount of lotion on your finger, and you can use it accordingly. It's best if you use this on your blemished spots rather on your full face, because the area where you've got more of the blemish spots will cure more than the other face areas. Now this product is supposed to replenish your moisture back overnight, because that is why it is known as the night cream, because if you use it, then it will give back all the moisture which your skin has lost. All the dryness that is there in your skin will turn into moisture, and it will not give you that greasy effect, because it is lightweight gel cream that mattifies your skin rather than making it more greasy and shiny. So I recommend this product completely. If you're using the face wash, it is good that you will use this cream with it at night so that it gives you better results. Next, if we talk about in the same range, we have a face scrub, which is also necessary for your skin every once a week, because exfoliating your skin removes the dead skin cells and gives you that flawless skin, and that dirt and dust that has been accumulated on your face and hasn't been removed gets exfoliated and it gets rubbed off, so it gives you a very squeaky clean face. This is it. This is the Tea Tree Squeaky Clean Scrub. Now it says that the face scrub is with natural exfoliators. It removes impurities and helps unclog pores. So basically, if you have those dirt filled up in those blocked pores, then it will help you remove that dirt and will give you that flawless finish on your skin, and it will also close down your pores if you use cold water after rinsing, because cold water is supposed to lock your pores which have been cleaned, because since you exfoliate, your pores are still open. So if you use cold water after rinsing this scrub, then it'll help you better. Applying this once a week will give you a squeaky clean skin, will unclog all your pores will look completely clean, your face will look cleaner than before, and since all the dead skin cells are removed, it'll look cleaner and will give you that flawless skin that you ever wanted. Now talking about the packaging, this one is a very cute little bottle. I would again say cute because it is actually very small and just openable like this. So it is good for carrying when you're traveling, and it is not a big of a weight or something like that it might just add on to the pile. Product that I would like to talk about is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Facial Wipes. These skin clearing facial wipes actually help you on your day-to-day basis, because if you're out in the sun and you're getting all that dust and heat and everything on your skin, and you just don't like the look of your face, then you could just take out one wipe, rub it off, give your face a cleaner look, and it will also help you remove or protect your skin from getting more acne and blemishes. And it would really help if you use all these 4 products together, because they'll give you a very nourished and moisturized skin, and will give you a flawless skin also, because it will not let acne and blemishes enter into your life anymore. So the last 2 products that I recommended, that is the exfoliator and the wipes, are not actually necessary, because you can just use the face wash and the lotion at night and it will give you a flawless skin. But if you really want that squeaky clean look every single week and every single day, then you could go for this exfoliator as well as facial wipes. The thing I like about the Body Shop Tea Tree range is that all of these things are very useful for your day-to-day life. The people who have, or people like me who have a bit of oily skin and get acne very fast, it is very good to keep your skin cleared and leave it not that dry, in the dry state. It'll keep it moisturized and will give you that skin that you really wanted for a very long time. We spend hundreds and hundreds of rupees on whatever we want to buy and whatever we think would suit us, but one thing is for sure, that the Body Shop really gives you that certificate or that guarantee that it will really work on your skin. I had a lot of pimples before, but these products really helped me get that look, that flawless look that I have today. So I would recommend this product completely for you if you really have that irritated, acne and blemished skin. The best thing I like about these products is also that they have a very small compact packaging. So if you really want to take the whole of it somewhere when you're traveling, it is very easy and it won't feel like a pile-on, or you won't feel like taking it out and keeping because it's heavy or something like that like other products. And it gives you that feel that you've got yourself protected from all the things in life. I hope you liked my review on the 4 products that I listed before. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, then we are Little Secrets. We belong to Little Secrets. And subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get immediate updates of our new videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and see our blogs because we keep updating them with new and different remedies for your skin and your hair. Thanks for watching.